Hey guys, Jordan here from Sharpworks. In today's video, I'm going to show you a handy camping hack that uses these tent stakes for cooking. In a previous video, I removed the galvanized coating because it could be very dangerous if it was left on when using them for this purpose. In that video, I go into detail on how to easily remove this and why you need to do it. To use tent stakes for camp cooking, first we will need to bend the tops at about a 90-degree angle. Do this for 4 tent stakes and arrange them in the pattern shown, keeping all of the heights at the same level. Before you build the fire, make sure the pot or pan won't fall off. Now just make the fire around the stakes. Here's an extra tip. If there's no wind and your fire is struggling to start, grab a paper plate or something to use as a fan. This will supply the fire with enough oxygen to give it a kickstart. Don't add too much air before the fire could be established. These tent stakes are small and easy to pack, making them a great alternative to a portable stove. If you're going camping, you'll probably be bringing tent stakes anyway, so you can use your extras to serve another purpose. If you found this video helpful, please share it and leave a like. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.